In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the long and short position tools in TradingView. If you're setting out to track and analyze various markets, leveraging these tools effectively can truly enhance your trading approach. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can get started. First, you'll want to head over to the TradingView website. TradingView is an incredibly versatile platform for traders, offering charts and analytical tools for a range of markets. Once there, you'll find a search bar prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking on this search feature allows you to type in ticker symbols of the stocks or commodities you're interested in. This is one of the best ways to access specific charts or discover new financial instruments to explore. Once you've decided on a chart to analyze, go ahead and open it. This is a crucial step as it sets the stage for employing the long and short position tools. Opening a chart gives you a graphical representation of price movements, which is essential for making informed trading decisions. Now, let's look into using the tools themselves. Next up, you'll want to click on the plus icon that can be found among the chart's drawing tools. This menu provides access to a variety of instruments, but our focus will be on the long position and short position icons. These icons are integral to planning your trades as they help visualize potential positions based on the chart's price data. By selecting either the long or short position icon, you're choosing to predict upward or downward market movements respectively. Choosing the long position tool means you're betting on the market or a specific asset rising in value. Conversely, opting for the short position tool indicates you're expecting the market to fall. After selecting your desired tool, it's time to pinpoint where you'd enter the market. Simply tap on the chart at your preferred entry point. This action lays down a visual marker representing your entry price, giving you a clear foundation to assess possible market outcomes. Next comes the step of adjusting your target and stop loss levels. You can drag the handles that appear on the chart to determine these key risk management elements. This feature allows you to tailor the position to your trading strategy by setting parameters for triggering an exit to either take profits or cut losses. Once these positions are set, you'll be able to see the risk-reward ratio directly on the chart. This ratio is an essential metric for traders, helping you instantly grasp the potential upside relative to the downside of your trade. When you're satisfied with these settings, simply tap anywhere else on the chart to finalize the process. Finally, if you need to remove any drawings or indicators, you can click on the option to clear them with one action. This helps maintain a clutter-free workspace, ensuring that you can focus on what truly matters, analyzing and strategizing your trades. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use the long and short position tools in TradingView, a skill that can significantly boost your trading efficiency and insight.